welcome to anticipated cricket match. Now it's time for action as the players gear up. The stage is set, the players are warming up, and we can't wait to get started. Huge shot, high in the air. That's big, what a shot! Keeps the score taking over with the... Yes! One more added. Yep. Good shot. Yes. There's plenty of wickets and hitting in this final over. Oh, it struck the bats. The bowler is backing himself to get the decision overturned. Pitching outside leg. The on-field umpire got it spot on. No! Yeah! Not a bad delivery, but the batsman sure treated it like one. Right ball. You couldn't do much against that bowling. Nice over. Yep. bowling there. Two added. High in the air, big shot. Oh, really good ball. Breakthrough for the fielding side. The batsman's yeah. And that's it, it's all over, they've lost it.